In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the common issue of Ethernet connected no internet on both Windows and Mac systems. This annoying problem can disrupt your workflow or leisure time, but don't worry, we're here to help you troubleshoot it step by step. Let's dive right in. Before we get tangled up in computer configurations, let's start with some simple physical checks that could save you a lot of time. First things first, confirm that your Ethernet cable is firmly connected to both your computer and the router. A cable that's even slightly loose can disrupt your connection. Also, if you have another device handy, use the same cable to connect it and see if it can access the internet. If it can, the issue might be with your computer. Lastly, a classic but effective trick, reboot your router and modem. Unplug both devices, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug the modem back in. Give it a moment to stabilize before plugging in your router. These quick checks often do the trick. Now let's move on to Windows PCs. If the physical checks didn't resolve the issue, it's time to look at your network settings. Start by going to Network Connections. Just click on the Start button and type Network Connections in the search bar. Once there, locate your Ethernet connection and make sure it's marked as Enabled. Should it appear disabled, simply right-click on it and select Enable from the drop-down menu. If it's already enabled and you're still offline, there's a built-in tool that can help. Right-click on the connection again and select Diagnose this connection. The diagnostic tool will run a series of tests and give you a report with recommendations to help you reconnect. For Mac users, the process is straightforward and just as effective. Begin by accessing your network settings. Click on the Apple logo located in the top left corner of your screen, choose System Preferences, and then navigate to Network. A new window will open displaying your current network status. Focus on your Ethernet connection and its status. If there's still no internet, look for the Assist Me button at the bottom. After clicking it, a pop-up will guide you to Assistant. Select this option, choose Ethernet from the list, and proceed to run a diagnostic test. This helpful assistant will scour your system for any potential issues and offer solutions tailored to resolve them. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to solving the Ethernet connected no internet problem, whether you're on a Windows PC or a Mac. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech guides. Until next time, happy surfing!